Ayinaze langixaka-ke this time around ukuthi nathula kangaka. Nathula kangaka. Ninade nukhulumela kanje bafethu 350. 350 njengoba kade ukhulunyelwa kanje. Mase uthola ama-foreigners. Uthi nya. Niyabona la ku background yami. Ba-on manje. Intela yethu le. But mina-ke angaze ngibe nento ey'ningi engazisho ngendaba zo-370 no-350. But sengithuswa ukuthi indlela ekuthuleke ngayo anisayisho indaba engaka ukuthi ama-foreigners asolo 370 manje. Hayi bafana, hayi kodlwani, hayi kodlwani bafana. Hey mina ngiyomvotela umlungu futhi ngeke. Yabo manje bethu njengoba ngisho ukuthi lento ayisafuni bese ukuthi lokuye ngokuthi uthanda bani, umuntu omnyama, ikhaladi, India, umlungu, ayisayifuni nje leyo nto leyo. Lento sifuna ukuthi ubani oman enough ukuleader izwe. Angisakhulumi ngalamaphenti asilidayo. Cha, ngikhuluma a man mina. Umuntu ozokwazi uenforce. Yabona nje mfethu uwe njengoba sikubona sisayida nabo kanje sibuka izinto abezenzayo kuma position abakuwona currently njengamanje. Uyabo. Yona ke into eyenza siqale sisishendela siye ngakubona. Uyabo. Ngeke mina ungitshela ukuthi singalandela oGason Mackenzie. Ungitshela ukuthi singalandela oJuju. Already khona izingane ziyofunda grade 8 engenazi izikole. Ayinazi izikole. Kade sibona eEdington. Kugcwele akwenzeki lutho. Kubangwa indawo nama foreigners. Nina ngizongitshela ukuthi silokhu sivotelana nabantu ababodwa. Ngenxa ukuthi abantu abamnyama. Wesike manje sebeqedile basaqhubeka sebediza ngentela yethu ke manje. Badiza ke ngayo. Into ezokwenzeka uzothi uyabona i-taxi somewhere nje kulonyaka uzothi uyabona bafana bami. Kuyonyuka oVet, kuyonyuka o-income tax. Hey. Hayi bafana bami ngisazokhala niyadlala ngiyanibona. Lezi zinto zenzeka because bayabona nabaholi abasiphethe ukuthi iyenzeka lento bayayenza.
Hayi makaqhube uhulumende wase South Africa makaqhube uthi i-asylum seekers can qualify for a South African social grant le 370. Kanti kwenzeka ntoni guys apha? Itex engaka thina kanti senze laba bantu as-asylum kuthiwa bayazi.
Nazi izintsha zisesilana bafowethu kuloko kuyanda. Abantu bokufika sebeyaqualifyela ukuthi ba-applyele u350 weSASSA loan nenitholayo abantu abangasebenzi. So mabenawo ama-documents okusho ukuthi sebeyaqualifya ukuthi ba-applyele iSASSA. Ngetax yami engaka. Ngetax yami engaka. Thina sikhokha itax engaka ngenyanga esi-tax waboma 5,000 4,500. Mina I don't get taxed less than 4.6 ngenyanga. So kusho ukuthi imali yami izoya kubo abantu bokufika lapha ukuthi bayokhokhela ukuthi abasebenzi basemzansi. Hayi kuningi guys, kuningi. Uyabona le mosi ihleli singalungisi lento sothi phapha kuzobe sekuyithina abantu bokufika ngentshele. Kuzobe sekuyithina abantu bokufika because lento iyacaca ukuthi sekuyimpi engaphakathi kwethu nohulumeni. Sekuyimpi ngaphakathi kwethu nohulumeni ngoba phela ayingihlaleli kahle mina. Ayingihlaleli kahle mina lokuthi i-tax yami izoya kumuntu yo kuningi guys, kuningi kusamele sikulungise siyi-country. Yabona nje nina nisathuka uJacinta hayi bandla. Anibonanga lutho. Ayithi nina nisabothi sikhalela indaba yesikole. Cha kuncane ke lokho kukhulu okusezayo. Kukhulu okuseza. Lo nyaka awukapheli ngisho kuphela asikafiki ngisho unyanga nesibili ka2026. Kodwa already government lokushaya ngega.
So in case you didn't know, Home Affairs has been given illegals 350s. This is the Home Affairs policy of what they need for you to qualify for the SASSA grant, the 350s. For South African you need an ID, and then the other one for the asylum seekers, special permit holders, you need a valid file number or special permit holder. So you see the countries that are stated there. So I couldn't believe this. I had to ask AI for this thing, and even Grok verified the whole thing. So yeah, it's true. It's not a hoax. It's not a lie. And now it's starting to make sense why there's so much entitlement. all of this should tell you that you should take that white draft paper very seriously.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi waseMzansi. South Africans are angry ngemva kokuthi bevete indzaba ukuthi ma-foreigners they now qualify for i-grant ye-SASSA ya 370, and they're saying ukuthi people are paying for i-tax kokuthi i-support abantu bokufika. It's like abantu bokufika, they now qualify for everything la South Africa. They qualify for 350 i-SASSA grant, ngisho lo 500 and something on 530 on 514 webantwana, i-grant yebantwana bayayihola aqini lapho. They even get imali ye-NSFAS, but that they are not South Africans. So bantu bayasho nje ukuthi kahle kahle lana sigaqele as South Africa. This is bad, nkosi yami. People are paying a lot of money ku-tax. Bantu baya-taxwa la ngaphandle, ba-taxelwa ama-foreigners. So people are just saying ukuthi nje sitaxelwa ma-foreigners every month emiholweni yethu ukuthi thina support bantu bokufika, and this is really really sad to my South Africans. Yes, foreigners, they are benefiting, hence why they are coming in numbers la South Africa, but bantu base South Africa, they are not happy. Nkosi yami bayasho nje ukuthi cry our beloved country, because what? Like what? The fact that kuzekhishwe ngisho statement uthi yangena ngisho nalapha ku-SASSA ufuna ku-apply kuyakhombisa ukuthi ma-asylum seekers ayaqualify ku-apply now. They now qualify for the 370 grant. Please do comment your thoughts down on the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'll see you on the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.